Welcome to Frenzied Printing. My name is Becky. I'll be your host. Let's get into today's video. Alright, so I'm going to do a little unboxing video of this new filament that I bought. So this filament is supposed to be light refractive, better than just crystal clear PLA plastic. It is a lot more money than regular PLA plastic. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Got my handy dandy kitchen knife here, and we're gonna open this up to see what we got. I already read the instructions, downloaded them and everything. So let's do this. What do we got for very 4 times-ish the price of regular PLA plastic? Wow. Not even a desiccant packet, not tucked away in the roll anywhere, and it's interesting. Normally these are vacuum sealed with a desiccant pouch to wick moisture away from the plastic. This is, oh wow, I don't know if you can tell, but this is very flexible. Oh, that should have gave it away right there. Look how flexible this is. It's like TPU, almost like an 85A shore hardness. If anyone's a TPU fan, look at this. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that. I'm definitely gonna have to look at the instruction page again and see what the deal is on drying this filament, because I really have zero confidence when filament comes and it's not vacuum sealed. There's no desiccant pouch. There's no guarantee that this isn't wet. I don't think you can see it very well, but this is very pretty. You can kind of see how the light is already refracting before it's even been printed. So, you know, maybe I'm gonna reserve my judgment for now and say maybe this is a hit. But I'm gonna go do some research and I'm gonna print something out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm getting very impatient about waiting for this filament to dry. And as I'm complaining the other night about the way that this product was packaged and how the drying time is ridiculously long, and then I had to think for a minute and I go, oh my gosh, I think I know why this company probably doesn't do that. And I might be wrong, but I think it's because they're environmentally focused. The original idea behind dissolvable plastics was to reduce the amount of plastic in the ocean, if I read it correctly from their website. So yeah, I guess if I was trying to be more environmentally friendly, I wouldn't be shipping my items in plastic that is non-biodegradable, right? So that's probably why. And then I kind of de-escalated myself a little bit, and I will wait another 4 hours, maybe, you know, go to brunch, relax, design something on my computer, who knows? And then I'll print something cool.
Okay, so I dried this filament for 2 days before I printed it. These are the specs that are on the website. I followed them pretty well. The temperature, the speed, these are all very much TPU typical settings. The only thing is I've never turned on pressure advance, not once. So I went ahead and turned it on because it said to on here. Didn't really notice any benefit to it at all. I guess I just don't, my printer must be tuned. So it didn't really do anything for me turning on pressure advance. But everything else in here, I followed to the T. I made my own filament setting, named it Time-Plast Light. All of the stuff is in here, the flow ratio, the temperature, bed temperature, nozzle temperature, all the instruction for cooling, all the instruction for retraction. I followed everything to the letter. Then I used my custom TPU settings, what I normally use for TPU. I print TPU quite often. So I have one of those settings saved and ready to go. I used it. The only thing I'm trying to think if I changed anything at all. No, because I already had my speed set to 30. Yeah, everything else in here is pretty much what I usually use. So these are my TPU settings. I always use scarf seam, especially for models like this where there is no defined corner or edge to hide a seam in. I really like using the scarf joint seam for stuff like this. It didn't fail for any reason. I went ahead and made this same model with clear PLA. It's not crystal clear PLA, it's a opaque. So it's clear PLA. I just wanted to see if there was any difference or if either one of these models was better than the other, just as a comparison. The $1,000,000 question is it worth it? Is it worth paying 4 times the price for something that seems like it's the same quality? The Time-Mass Light filament does have a more natural look to it because it's got like that antique finish. It's not so much toy-like, like we're used to seeing with some 3D prints. The PLA does. It looks very clean. It looks very clear. It looks very brand spanking new. Also, it's fair to mention the ambient temperature tolerances of each item. TPU has an ambient tolerance temperature up to like 200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really hot. And PLA maybe 130 max. Okay, so here's the Time-Plast flame. And over here is the PLA flame. Oops, I left the rubber bands on the PLA torch just to help the glue set. So am I going to use this? Yes, I am. Normally, I would shop around and try to find something that had a better deal. Had I done that, I probably would have went with Zero Filament. They have a clear glitter TPU. I was considering picking up some of the soap filament, but I'm not sure I want to put oil inside my hot end. So maybe, maybe not. Sometimes I get squirrely and I just do things. Luna the shop mascot says, if you're enjoying this content and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.